Welcome to Upskys Import Account tutorial. After you first log in and are greeted with the Upskys dashboard, the next step from here would be linking your Facebook account. To do so, click on the Import Account tab on the left sidebar menu. Once the Upskys Import Account page is fully loaded, you should see the Login with the Facebook button. Click on this button to log in with Facebook. Simply clicking the button will start importing your Facebook. You should then be taken to Facebook. Accept all permissions and continue. You can choose privacy as friends or public. If privacy is set to friends, the posts will only be visible to your friends. If you set it to public, then the post will be visible to everyone. You should use public for marketing purposes. Make sure to allow all the permission it wants and continue. Once your account is imported into Upskys, you will see your pages and connected Instagram accounts. Now the first thing you have to do is enable the page for bot connection. Your pages and connected Instagram accounts will not be visible in any feature until you enable bot connection. To enable bot connection, click on the plug icon on the particular page and follow the instructions. If you have followed the instructions correctly, you will see a pop-up that displays Success. Bot connection has been enabled successfully. That's it for this video. See you in the next Upskys tutorial.